Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. It's a great grandiose day. Very blissful. Very gifted. I feel amazing. I feel victorious. It's crazy. I didn't have as much energy until I stepped outside. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Stains smell like sewer waste over here, but golly. Oh yeah, but if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending a DM at Instagram at send us a DM on Instagram at send us a DM on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration, or you could just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com. Yeah, dig. Whew. Look at these free flowers. What are they real? Oh, they are. Yeah, they real. That's pretty. Toss me, y'all. Let me know how things are for y'all, man. I was over here thinking. I'm over here thinking rhythmly. You know, as far as about rhythm and whatnot. But yeah, man. About to go to the store. Still no mask. I mean, it just don't make no freaking sense to wear a mask. What to do? What? Mask the truth? Come on now. I mean, they got people closed. They told y'all to stay in your homes. What they doing when stuff is out? Huh? Because I know a lot of y'all been talking about, y'all heard about the planes and whatnot. So I don't necessarily try to keep up with that stuff, but it's just like, come on now, what they want, they doing something. If they got you all inside, they doing something. They doing something, you dig? And it's just not making sense. There's a lot of times with this quarantine, like, they want you to wear a face mask. I'm sorry, I'm blocking the camera in my hand. They want you to wear a face mask. They want you to wear a face mask, yup. And while you in line, or while you in a 2-mile line to get some fast food, to get, if the person serve you the food is wearing a face mask, and then the food that they sell you, and they're fried. And I'm not against frying food, because if y'all know, we fried our food. You know, we fried food before. And the thing is, it's best to fry it with alkaline electric base around that and stuff like that. But the stuff that they frying, it ain't right, because all electrical food is electrical. You dig? So, but you eating their unhealthy food, processed food. And now people are getting sick and whatnot. It seems to me, as a matter of fact, it's not about health. It's not about health. It's not about how people should heal and stuff like that. It really isn't. Because if not, what you do, you want people's health, you close down the liquor stores. Open up, and then, because I know if you close down a liquor store, people going to start with prohibition. All right, but you know what? If you close down the liquor stores, then you have whatchamacallit? You have what they call places where you can get places where you can have like rehabilitation centers, so people can like stop their alcohol addiction, because people are really addicted to this alcohol stuff. I say that a lot of people don't talk about it because it's just so normalized, and it's just so like socially acceptable, have a drink. And I'm like, I just want people to step away from the sedation. And I say that myself too, because I'm not entirely I'm forever growing and whatnot. I'm forever growing. You dig? So it's growth and whatnot, and I'm healing. So it's like, hey, and but that's what happens. You got to be some type of transparency and accountability as far as even speak and stand on it, and that's how we begin to further evolve and develop. You dig? And too, as far as too, they selling people cigarettes, and they just selling things to smoke too. Like, it's for all this other stuff to keep you sedated, not really in tune. Where are these natural or nature type of products or nature that they're encouraging? Because really it's more, in the sense that they do it, it's difficult for them to monetize off of. It looks like. Because if I tell you how you can heal yourself from any disease, majority of diseases, 2 diseases is mucus and death itself. So when I say that, but you can do that by fasting, you know, that's kind of unheard of for people. You dig? But most people don't know how to go out fasting and what the lines and whatnot. But we go ahead and tell you. We go there and show you. You dig? We've done that, and we've had videos on that. Sure. And also as well, people wear glasses. Healthy people, you know, don't wear glasses. They don't wear glasses. Glasses and vision impairment. You wear glasses, you wear bifocals, it's a vision impairment. You dig? But I'll tell you like this. When I used to go, as a child, I used to wear glasses, you know. And when I wear glasses, I think I was a child, so I just stood to the point where I just stopped wearing them. I stopped wearing them. Yeah, I'm gonna touch on that in a sec, but I just stopped wearing them, and so then apparently turns out I got an eye doctor's appointment. My biological mother told me, and I'm like, oh, so I got an eye doctor's appointment. I know I won't wear my glasses, so then I go to the eye doctor, and you know I'm going to get the test. I go there to take the test and whatever. You know, you look at the chart. It's when they got the, you know, the machine, and you look over, it blocks one eye, and then you do your test. And so when I go to take the eye, when I'm taking the test, A, B, C, you know, G, W, Q, it's letters like that, different sizes and whatnot. And so then, after I take the test, you guess what the eye doctor says to me? He says, oh, your vision improved, so you've been wearing your glasses. I said, nigga, I wasn't wearing my glasses. I wasn't wearing my glasses at all. What the heck? But yet, my vision improved when I stopped wearing my glasses. If we were made to wear glasses, we would have came out the womb when we had glasses on. We were not made to wear glasses. It's already painting an illusion on your eyes for what you should be seeing already. You should really even see better, because I see people better than whatever the glasses, who have glasses and contacts. Hey, you know, we got, and another time you help heal yourself up by sun gazing as well. But I say this too, all you gotta do, you know, you put the body in the nature, you heal itself. Hey, you don't know furthermore how to heal yourself, you can book a one-on-one consultation with us. Send us a DM on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us, I don't know why yet. Go ahead and do that. We got a business course for you guys who want to start a business. You guys don't have one. If you guys do have one, you further enhance yourselves, you guys got to get with us in the description box. Make sure you check out our awesome apparel. We got at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well with our one-of-a-kind artwork there too. Yeah, you guys see how we crafted that. We even got videos on that. It's really amazing. Make sure you guys go check it out. Hit the bell notification, like, comment, subscribe, share. I really want to hear your feedback on this. So let us know. Peace, love, and light.